Will you shut up, man?
Listen, China ate your lunch, Joe. And
You're
by
the
way,
worst
you were a
president
vice-
America has ever had.
In today's update, COVID-19.
Social distancing, the world economy at a standstill, a rising global death toll. Some of us are bored, tired, grateful, productive, paranoid, inspired, or just plain done with it.
It has been more than a week since voters went to the polls. Joe Biden will become the new president in January.
Joe Biden should not wrongfully claim the office of the president. I could make that claim also.
Frankly, we did win this election.
Hi, in this tutorial, we will give you a hand-on demo of our Disagree to Agree product. Disagree to Agree is an app that connects people with different, ideally opposite, political opinions to have a conversation with each other. Let's begin by creating an account. For demonstration purpose, I will be creating 2 accounts that are presumably owned by Donald Trump and Bernie Sanders. They will be sharing similar interest. On top of that, transcript of their speech will be used to answer our opening questions. This allows the profile to best reflect our leaders.
These answers are gotten from speeches that are made by the leaders themselves. They are extracted from credible sources and can be used to prove the algorithm's accuracy.
Once we have created our profile, we can start looking at our database to see what change has happened. Here, for instance, we have the message polarity for Trump. This represents Trump's score response to the original question.
When we check out Bernie's score, we can see that these numbers are almost entirely opposite. This means the algorithm will likely match Trump and Bernie, resulting in a meaningful conversation. Let's log in using both of our accounts.
Now, once you have logged into the home page, you can have a variety of options. You can check out your profile. Here, you can see information which you have entered, such as your account information, along with responses to our particular questions. Some information, such as your list of interest or response or questions, will eventually be used in our natural language processing model to best match you with another participant. This guarantees that the match will allow meaningful conversations to be made.
Okay, right now we're going to match Trump and Bernie together. So Trump is now in the queue. We're going to put Bernie in. As you can see, they are now in the same chat group. As shown, we can, by typing in !casual, we can have prompts for them to talk about. How would you describe salt to someone who has never tasted it before? I think Trump might say salty. So yeah, but if they want to talk about something more serious, they can have another kind of prompt. Economics, and they have different questions. But then they can have conversations like what is your view on immigration? And then Bernie can reply, immigration is important, but not at the expense of Americans. Yeah, so as you can see, they can both communicate, and then eventually, hopefully, they can arrive at some consensus, and then they realize that they might have more similarity than differences in terms of their political opinions, even though they might have different political leanings. Yeah. Then we can leave the chat together.
To build this product, we used a variety of technologies. For our APIs, we host them using Flask. And the user experience is supported tremendously with React.js. We experiment with Socket.io for the first time, applying chatbot technologies to our product. On top of that, we utilize currently technologies such as Google Natural Language Processing Engine to support our sophisticated matching algorithms. Lastly, it is also our first time working with Firebase to manage our application. In general, we've had great time forming a team out of nowhere and was able to come together and work through the challenges. Though our app isn't finished or fully deployed, we're happy for have challenged ourselves with new technologies and working in a team.